Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your transaction PIN on the Bitget Crypto Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application, and once you have logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. From here, tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the arrow button alongside your user ID. This will take you into your user center page. Tap on the security option and now you will see various different options. If you scroll down, you will find PIN code. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you will now see the modify PIN code button. Tap on this option and you will then be prompted to enter your desired new PIN code. After typing in the new PIN code, type it in once again for confirmation and then tap on the submit button. Then you will need to either enter the current PIN code or verify it through your passkey. Just enter the current PIN code that you are using or tap on the passkey verification button. You will be prompted to either use your hardware passkey or your biometric verification. After providing either one of this, the verification will be completed. Then once you enter the current PIN code, tap on the confirm button and now your PIN code has successfully been changed. After this point on, you will be able to use the new PIN code that you have set as your transaction PIN to complete your transactions. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your transaction PIN code on the Bitget Crypto Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.